Hey guys, it's your girl Joy and welcome to the channel. If you're new, you're so welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for stopping by. And guys, yes, it's a hair video. I'm so excited, and I hope to bring more of this later in the future. So guys, I really don't talk about my natural hair, and that's because I kind of like, have this insecurity because of my edges. As you can see, they're not full enough, and I'm not going to lie, I became like natural, I think 4 years ago in 2019, and the reason why I forced myself to go natural was because relaxers damaged my edges. Okay, so as you can see, my edges, they are not so full. Some parts are, bald, some parts are way worse, and it was a chemical burn from relaxers. And I remember 2019 when I had that experience with relaxer, like, which was so funny because I never really used to have problem with relaxers. Like, when I have like my relaxer session, it would go smoothly, but on a very unfortunate day, I think in the month of April in 2019, I went to the same salon I used to, go have my relaxers done. I also used the same relaxer I used to use, and I got a chemical burn on my edges. And I remember that day getting home, just taking the scissors and cutting all my relaxed hair, and I decided to just transition natural. But with natural hair, guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's not easy, especially now that my hair is starting to get longer. It's really not easy to manage my hair, and that's why in this video I kind of got a product that I feel will help me manage my hair better. I've been seeing this blow dryer thing online, and I wanted to actually get the I think the original one from Revlon. I think it cost about 35 pounds. I actually already kept that product in my Amazon cart, and I really don't know what took me to SHEIN. I went on SHEIN app, and I just saw that, oh my god, SHEIN has this same blow dryer, and I just thought to purchase this and also just review. So guys, this is what the blow dryer looks like, and as you can see, if you're familiar with the Revlon one, you would know it is so identical, guys. And this went for just 13 pound, just 13 pound. And we all know SHEIN, they have so many coupons, so many points. If you're able to maybe gather coupon and points, you will definitely get this for way cheaper. Okay, so this is what it looks like compared to the original one from Revlon. I think that one cost 35 pounds, but I only got this for 13 pounds. And guys, it was so identical. As you can see, looking at the bristles, you can see that the combs and everything looks so alike. And it also has this light indicator thing that just tells you what the temperature is. As you can see, it says off, on, middle, high, and yeah, you can just control that. And it also has this top part where you can just hold. That part does not get hot, and this is the plug, guys. I am just shocked. And I actually got this product to just use on my hair so I can make my hair a bit more manageable, because I'm not gonna lie, my hair has been really tough. Like, my hair, I have a 4C natural hair, and guys, it is tough, like very tough. So I'm glad that I have this product to just use on my hair in case I want to maybe like do braids and all. It won't be so stressful to manipulate my hair when I want to. And guys, let's try this product and let's see if it works. Okay, so I'm just gonna pin my hair up to just keep it out of the way, and I'm just gonna start with this section. And I also got a heat protectant, so I don't apply these heats on my natural hair. And this is what the texture of my hair look like. As you can see, it's very tight and very coily. So I'm just gonna detangle my hair right now just to make sure it is properly detangled. And yes guys, this is the heat protectant I told you about. It is the Cream of Nature argan oil heat protectant. I would also leave that in the description box so you guys can go check. So guys, I have plugged this blow dryer, and as you can see, looking at the light indicator, it says off, and it can go up to low, middle, high, and yeah, you just have to twist that lower section, and that's how you just control the heat. And with the low, it's kind of released a bit of heat, but I started with low, but later on in the video I went up to middle, and guys, I got the best result with middle. It took me a longer time to achieve the stretched result I wanted with low, but definitely guys, if you're starting out, it's best to start with the lower setting, then you can just work your way up. Okay, so just as you can see, struggling as usual. I was struggling at the beginning, but with time and with using the products, I was able to just navigate it, and it might look like I'm pulling my hair, but guys, this product was just amazing. Like, it was amazing. And there was ever a time I tried to check if my hair was getting caught in those bristles, but it wasn't, guys. That's why I would say detangle your hair properly, like very properly, before you start. If not, this is not a comb or a detangler, so you don't want to detangle your hair using this product. So I would say it's best to first detangle your hair well, so you don't have to experience hair breakage while using this product. And guys, this is the result I got. I didn't want my hair to be like bone straight. I just wanted the blowout look, and as you can see, you can still see like a bit of my hair texture. And also guys, this is like my first time ever using heat on my natural hair since I went natural. I've never like stretched my hair before to see how far my hair has grown. And guys, look at the length check, like look at the comparison. Like it's just amazing to see how long my hair has grown. And yes guys, I'm just gonna continue this around my hair. As I went upper on my hair, I saw that the middle section of my hair is like quite thick, so I had to further like section that into two, so I just don't break my hair further. The white product on my hair was leave-in conditioner, so the night before I made sure I washed my hair and applied leave-in conditioner so I can manage this hair, because my hair can be so thick. And as usual, I will detangle and apply heat protectant before I use the blow dryer on my hair. So guys, at this point I am like done with the first part of my hair. And honestly guys, this didn't really take that long. I would say it depends on how thick your hair is. Honestly, this part really shocked me. I was shocked at how straight that blow dryer made my hair. And guys, look at the length check. I really love this, guys. I would say the first part of my hair took like 10 minutes, and I would say again, it depends on, you know, how thick your hair is. If you know you have like a whole lot of hair, if you have a whole lot of hair, it might take, you know, a longer time, you know, for you to achieve, you know, a blown out look. And guys, like, this was just the best part for me, the fact that I was able to just, you know, section my hair down to the roots and not, you know, have any tangling, or not, you know, feel any pain like how I would normally feel with my natural hair. I was just, you know, amazed, honestly, at the fact that I could, you know, touch my scalp without, you know, feeling so much pain. And I'm just gonna do, you know, the rest of the hair real quick. And all together, guys, the blown out look all together, the blow drying process, I would say took me about 20 to 25 minutes. So in my opinion, that is fine. If I can just do this for like 20 to 25 minutes and get, you know, like a very easy hair, and, you know, very easy hair to manage, I am definitely down for it. Okay, so this part also, you know, blew me away because of how straight the hair looked. At this point, for the second half of my hair, I decided to use medium, and as you can see, I actually got better results on this side of my hair. With the first part of my hair, I made use of low, but on this part of my hair, I made use of medium. And guys, that was just, you know, a game changer for me. And yes, guys, I'm just gonna do the rest off camera and show you guys what, you know, my full head looks like. Okay. So guys, this is what the final look looks like. Oh my god, guys, when I say at this point, I was just so obsessed. I loved how, you know, airy my hair felt, and it was just so free, so manageable. I could touch my scalp without feeling any pain. Like, I love this hair dryer so much. And I am definitely going to link it in the description box in case you want to get it. I got it from SHEIN, and yeah, I was just having fun, honestly, and I just enjoyed it. I'm just super glad that I was able to, you know, um, get over this insecurity of mine, because for a long time I was saying I wasn't going to do hair videos anymore because I was so insecure with my, you know, my bald edges. But at this point, I'm just gonna get that, you know, off me and just have fun. There are a lot of people that suffer from, you know, alopecia, and they still live their best life. Okay, so thank you guys so much for staying so far, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.